Hello guys, today I am going to teach you how to make a paper jet plane. We will need one ruler and one any color paper. It has to be A4 sized. So let's begin. First fold from edge to edge vertically. Open the fold. Now fold from this corner to this edge like this. Open it and do it with the opposite side also. Like this. Now we fold from this edge to this line. Open, flip, pinch on this center, take this flat and horizontal edge, fold it till the vertical edge. Then take this line and fold it over here like this. Do it same with the other side. Now you will have this much left. Just fold it flat. Make sure it's on the same line so that nothing happens and the plane goes correct. Now you fold this part, you fold this edge to the center line. You do it with this other side as well. Now you turn over the paper and keep the flat side to yourself. Now fold this. You need to be able to see a bit of this part. Now fold this edge to this edge. Flip it over. Now take this. Now take this edge to this edge. Now that this is done, do it with the other side as well. Now keep one side like this and keep your hand like this. Do it with this side as well. These two end points should be right on line. Do it with the other side as well. You can now take this as a reference and take it like this. Do it the same. Fold. Now you see this edge. Take it just a bit down. Do not fold it till the other edge. Flip the paper, take flat side to yourself. Now you see this part here, do it like, make it like this. This is the tricky part because you don't know where the fold will come. So you should be able to make it like the same way of one. So if you get it correctly, it will turn out to be like this, equal. Now comes the hard part. You flip it over, flatten this. Now it's the time for your ruler. You take it, you put it like this and fold it. Do it with the other side as well. Now that this is done, you will see one triangle like this. Fold it like this. Now it will turn out to be equal. So now it will become like this. Now you take this line as a reference and fold this like this. Flip it and do the same. Now you open it up and lift this part up, and it's ready. You can also make it stand like this.